past 25 years of my work, I have worked with different types of communication disorders. So we work with children who can't hear and therefore they don't learn to speak, children who have autism and that's why they don't learn to communicate, children who have a stammer, or children whose speech is not clear for any reason.
Square Kodi.
Square Kodi.
From feet.
We also work with adults who have hearing issues and that we try to find solutions to help them hear better. I always had a dream to start a center where quality speech therapy and hearing assessments would be available to the community at a reasonable and affordable rate. And that's how Samvad Institute of Speech and Hearing came into being.
இப்போ எப்படி இருக்கீங்களா? ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ನನಗೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಗ. ಮುಂಚೆಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಪದನೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿರೋ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಹೆಸರು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಯಿತು.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಏತಪ್ಪ ಪೂರ್ಣಿ ಲೋಬೋ ಕವಿತಾ.
Okay.
In the last 7 years, we have been able to be of very much use to the community by having a preschool for deaf children. We have a preschool for children with autism. We have a neuro communication department where we give therapy for adults who have communication disorders, post-stroke or head injury or Parkinson's or multiple sclerosis. We also have a full-fledged hearing assessment center. We have audiometry, we have pure tone audiometry, we have BERA, we have all the equipments required to come to a conclusion of what is the hearing disorder that a person has. We also have a section where we prescribe hearing aids for our clients, and that is done in a very professional and systematic manner. We also have an academic section where we offer UG and PG courses, and in the last 3 years we have got first rank in the Bangalore University. We have been able to do a lot of good work with children with different types of communication disorders. But we could not do much work with adults. That's how we have decided to start a center which will be able to provide free speech therapy, free physiotherapy for people who have had stroke.
I'm Tabassum Mahmood Jafar.
Okay.
I'm very talkative.
She had several strokes which left her quadriplegic and also a loss of speech.
Okay, keep going. Don't look backward, look in front.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Very good. That's very good. Give me a hand.
All the cases that we as speech pathologists deal with, stroke is one of the most traumatic because it's an adult who has already had a full life and he suddenly loses his ability to communicate because of the stroke. And in the past 7 years, we've had a lot of cases who have come to us, but the dropout rate has been very high. And in some cases that we have managed, who have managed to come to us regularly, we have shown good results. And these are the families who could afford to come every day. And the families could take care of them and bring them for therapy every day.
I was abused that I had to learn what these children are going to learn. But I was ready because I knew that I have gone back to my tried root and forgotten my writing and speaking.
There was no voice, he couldn't speak, there was no air coming out from his mouth. And with perseverance, we've reached a certain standard where he is able to communicate, he is busy working, he does consultancy, and we socialize, and people actually seek him out and talk to him.
unfortunately in Bangalore city there's only one center, that is NIMHANS, where free speech therapy, physiotherapy, cognitive therapy is available. So we are planning to start another center in Hebbal where patients will get physiotherapy, speech therapy, cognitive therapy free of cost. And at Samvad Institute we follow only evidence-based methods.
Yogesh? Yogesh? Kelsa? Hey, wow, good boy.
Papa.
I don't have any time to feel sad.
We really believe that the ability to speak is the most beautiful gift that we human beings have. And every possible effort should be made by the family and the community to help people regain their communication abilities.